I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification. So this car is free to tax, features keyless entry, 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, and there's a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, you get automatic headlights, and the car has a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.